The Blackline tools offer a range of wood turning tools you can do almost every work on the lathe. Like bolts, ballpoint pens, candle holders, vases and many other things. The Blackline tools are easy and safe to use. They promise a fast learning curve. Also, the blades do not have to be sharpened, so there's no need to invest into a sharpening system. The Blackline tools offer a handle in two designs, 4 different types of blades: the square, the W shape, the round one and the V shape, and a parting tool as well. In this video we will explain all parts to you. The handle is available in Moly and Alley versions and also in 3 different sizes: Maxi, Midi and Mini. The handles not only hold the Blackline tools, they can also hold all other turning tools. All turning tools sit securely in a collet. And thanks to the interchangeable collet, you can mount up every tool from 8 to 19 mm with a Midi and a Maxi handle. Wow! The blades are made of hardened steel. They reach 65 on the Rockwell hardness scale. They are so hard that they don't need to be sharpened. Each blade sits on an HSS shaft that is flattened on the bottom. The special thing about this is that the tools can not only be used for scraping, they are also great for cutting. The blades are available in 4 different designs. They make it possible to turn all shapes and projects on the lathe. The round blade, perfect for curves or turning bolts. The square blade for turning flats or doing finishing cuts. And for all sorts of other shapes and also for rubbing, especially raw woods. The W shape, perfect for curves and beads or the turning of ballpoint pens. But also for the finishing cut of bowls. And finally the V shape to turn V-cuts and fine details. And for example a dovetail profile to mounting your chuck. All blades fit perfect in the shafts and can be rotated. So if one side has become blunt, it can be changed to a sharp side. The square and the W-shaped blade can also be used for turning V-cuts. All of these carbide blades are available in Mini, Midi and Maxi sizes. The shaft that carries the blades is also available in different sizes. In Mini, Midi short, Midi and Maxi. Aside from that, a high-performance parting tool can be added. This is available in 2 sizes, Mini and Midi, and either with a carbide blade or with an extremely long-lasting razor diamond cutting edge. The cutting edge is slightly wider than the shaft. This guarantees that the cutter does not get stuck or overheat. The result is a parting tool that cuts through wood like butter. The Blackline tools can be purchased individually or as a set. The 5-part sets are sent in a real leather case. They each contain the 4 shafts with blades and a handle in either Moly or Alley. And each set is offered in the sizes Mini, Midi short, Midi or Maxi. In addition to the 5-part sets, there are also the small pen turning sets in sizes Mini and Midi short, and either with an Alley or a Moly handle. What else is there to mention? In addition to the standard blades of hardened steel, there's also a razor blade available and a negative angle blade. The razor blades have the same shape of the carbide ones, but except that the cutting edge is made of diamond. This diamond edge is extremely sharp and long-lasting. It has been tested for over 100 hours without losing its sharpness. With these blades, most materials can be turned. Finally, there is an optional blade with a negative angle. They can also be used for shearing and slicing. The advantage of these blades is that they, if they're laid flat on the tool rest, remove extremely fine shavings and ensure excellent results. They are perfect for shaping, but also suitable for finishing cuts. Thanks to the negative cutting edge, they are not aggressive at all and very easy to handle. The risk of getting caught is reduced to an absolute minimum. The Blackline tools in connection with the negative angle blades are therefore a completely safe and quick to learn tool with a fast learning curve. If you want to learn more about the Blackline tools, leave your questions in the comments or visit us on our website.